Strings are immutable in Visual Basic, which means that once we assign a value to a string, we can't modify that value. However, we can reassign the value. All the string methods that we've looked at are immutable methods. They don't change the string itself. They manipulate the string, allow us to assign that value to another variable or to a property such as a text property, or reassign it to the original variable. To demonstrate that, I've created this application where we can look at pad left. And what I've done is I've created a string that's going to go into the original string value. I assigned pad left, which will go into this second label, and then this third label will once again show the original variable to show you that it has not changed. So here's pad left. I have South Mountain, and I pad it with some periods. But then when I print that string back out, which was ABC, shows that it's still South Mountain. Here's pad right, same thing, Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm putting some periods after padding to the right. But ABC has not changed. Trimming. I created spaces in front of and behind the Grand Canyon. Trimmed it so that they are removed. I put a vertical bar here so you could see the end of that string, and then reprinted the variable back out, and you can see it remains intact. Here's an example of just taking the start, so trim start, trim end. I'm getting rid of the spaces after Monument Valley. Removing the comma between Flagstaff and Arizona, and replacing Payson with Scottsdale, but ABC remains Payson. Now if I wanted to change a value, I can reassign the manipulated string back to the string variable. So here we have ABC equals ABC remove. So I'm taking Flagstaff, comma Arizona, removing the comma as we did before, but I'm reassigning it back to ABC. ABC no longer has the comma. Here's the same thing with replace. Replacing Payson with Scottsdale and assigning it back to ABC. ABC now contains Scottsdale rather than Payson. Just want to make one other little distinction here, and that is string builder is mutable. You can assign methods to a string builder instance and it will affect the original value of that string builder instance. So I have a string builder here called XYZ, which equals Yuma, Arizona, and then I call the replace method of that string builder and replace Yuma with Kingman, and now string builder contains Kingman, Arizona. If you just jumped into this video, you can see all the videos from the Programming Practicum playlist by clicking on the image in the lower right. And if you'd like to be alerted to future videos I create, you can click my picture in the top right to subscribe to the channel.